Hi everyone, today we're going to be reading a story together, When the Snake Bites the Sun. And this beautiful Aboriginal story was told by David and compiled by Pamela. Long, long ago, in the east, behind the world, there lived two suns, a big fat mother sun and a little daughter sun. They lived in hollow logs. They came out to give the world light, but they shone so fiercely and for so long that everything began to burn up. The ground became scorched and the rivers dried up. The animals began to die of thirst. All these animals dying because there's not enough water. The mother sun by this time had got so fat that she could no longer squeeze out of her log. So she sent her daughter out alone. The little sun rolled across the sea to Morangi Bidi Bidi, an island where two men lived. One was a good man who had always looked after the two sons, and the other was a bad man. The bad man chased that little sun and poked her with his spear. Ouch. She was afraid that he would kill her and leave the world in darkness. So she took off into space to escape him, getting hotter and hotter as she climbed into the sky. But up there in the sky, high above the earth, lived a snake. Suddenly, he rushed at her and bit her, but straight into the sun that snake bit. Can you see that she is crying? Poor sun. Now she could go no higher, and getting weaker and cooler, she rolled away down towards the edge of the earth. There she became snagged in the fork of a tree, and the sky turned red with the blood from her wounds. Can you see the red flowing into the skies? At last she slipped down into the mist below, and the world became dark. She went back to her mother, who had looked after her till she was strong again. Ever since that time, the sun has made her journey from the east to the west to give the world day and night. There must always be a day for light and heat, followed by the darkness of the night, for the world to cool down and rest, so that it will never burn up again. When the snake bites the sun. Thank you. See ya.